Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Add. Get ano tong.
Can I put it everywhere? That Dad, you're gonna sit right here too.
How much you buy for?
32.
How much? What is that? 14? 18. 18. Probably like around.
Okay.
When did you buy
Okay.
3.
Probably around like
Dad, put your weights.
7. Guys starts now. First of the
Thank
month,
you.
January.
That's
Your
your
birthday.
birthday. Mom, this is
I
your
was like, alright, let me do
birthday.
February.
Wait,
No,
That's
happy
what
birthday.
you
Oh,
said.
hell no. You know what?
Oh yeah, but take off the
No, but then it'll be
Yeah,
the
it's
first
okay.
of the month.
I
first,
just
like-
No,
You
do
know,
it.
like,
How do
ate
you
the
take the
cake.
cake? Soy sauce Sally made.
I was supposed to be out.
There's no potatoes.
Angel.
They asked me to work,
eat.
but I was like, I don't know if she was working, and
Pray.
Fine Shot was
Oh,
working.
I'll
so
let
I
you
said,
go.
hell yeah, let me work.
Just go, just pray.
Lord, we thank you for this food,
I
Lord,
was very
and providing us with the bountiful feast, Lord. We thank you for that everybody is here celebrating our mother's birthday with another year. Bless her health, Lord, and longevity. Amen.
Amen. Yay.
I was glad she sat right next to me. I was like,
Okay, everybody take a seat.
Angel, there's a seat right here.
You
This is
talked to
all
her?
like
I
down
did.
to, and there's
But I didn't talk to
okra.
her first.
And
Like
then
the
this is
first
the
2
triple
hours.
X.
So
This
it
is the
seemed
mom.
like,
You want?
I wasn't too
Okay, here you
fishy. And she's like, oh, Ace, I didn't know that.
Dad, come here. Try this one. I'm
Mom,
sure
there's
soy
lemon there too.
Like
water.
Tyson said no cereal.
Just use your hands, Mom.
No,
It's like the same as boiling crab. You don't use your hand. I mean your utensil.
This cup.
Tyson was like, "Why is everything on the
The
table?"
Oh, it's like
It's his first time.
What do you call this one?
Oh, shoot.
Boodle.
Boodle pie.
Is that weird?
Yeah, he was like,
He's thinking of boiling crab.
He's like,
Boodle
"Why
pie.
is there rice on the thing? That's weird."
It's like a boodle pie.
Bruh.
Okay, like, try
Interesting.
this sauce. Yeah. Let me.
Yeah,
Do you
yeah.
put, do you put this here?
Hey, you would like the Philippines burrito fight when
No,
you
yeah.
were there.
Really?
Is it spicy?
So good.
That's right.
You're like, I told you.
There's lemon there too. Lemon.
Put it with
Angel,
the
that's
salad,
mom's.
right?
See.
Oh.
It's okay on the side.
Oh, try
Grab
the
the
fish. Yeah, just grab the rice with your hand. You're not holding your phone, right?
No.
Yeah, like
Don't
that,
forget the
boy.
vegetables.
You grab it.
Okay.
Wait, does Vietnamese people don't do that?
No.
I feel like other Asians
we
do
use
that.
spoons and forks.
Yeah, it's only us and Malaysians.
Wait,
So
wait,
Audrey
wait,
does
spicy.
I was about to say, I know other,
You know
like
what's too
some other
spicy?
Asians do it.
Okay.
Right here. No, but you can use this and just
She's
dip
all
it here.
good.
But,
Yeah.
oh, can I get some?
Yeah. You want to get an extra one?
Please, can you get a tiny bowl?
She gave him some fish again. Good.
Mm-hmm.
With the sauce right here.
You're cutting your nails right now.
Bruh.
I wanted-
Why?
I needed
Oh,
my-
He doesn't want to wear it with the gloves.
No, it tastes the
Pretty good.
glass.
I was gonna say,
Thank
That's a weird.
You gonna mix it right now?
Yeah. You guys not eating?
No, we will. I just want beef too.
Oh.
Can you let me know if you want more?
No, it's good.
Because I couldn't grab it, so you know.
Ew.
Yeah, I
Oh,
was,
wait, but
Yeah.
this is mild.
I was supposed to be off today.
Uh-huh.
They asked me to come to work, and I was like, let me see who was working.
Oh, yeah, you were working.
Well, yeah, they asked me to work
Travis,
yesterday,
get
but I was like, let me see who was working.
So
It's fine shite, so I was like, hell yeah,
I
put
just
me to
working?
work.
Beef
Is it the same girl?
Beef what?
Intestines.
The one you were like, oh,
Some
she's
of
pretty.
them.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yesterday, leftover.
Yeah, no, she's
Wow.
Oh,
agency.
so good.
How good.
Yeah.
I haven't seen her in a while.
So
Try,
did you talk to
try
her?
the fish.
Right, that I told you. She's good, right?
Okay.
You know, Tyson got this one, and he said it doesn't taste the same. He said he likes the triple X better. But this one, it doesn't taste like spicy or anything.
Oh, mango.
So good.
I don't think it's
Ripe?
Go Roy.
yeah.
Begin, man.
Yeah.
I
Look at it first.
Oh, you do lemon?
Is it sweet?
It just needs a couple days.
This
Yeah.
sweet?
Dad, get.
No, not
Sit
really,
down.
to be honest.
You have to my day.
Yeah, you're making me anxious.
Why?
Ah, you're strong.
It feels like you're like in a
Ito
ramen
ang gagawin ko na
facility.
Pilipinas.
Sweet potato.
Mom, eat.
This is interesting.
Just
What
sweet
is
potato in
that?
the oven.
She's
So you
cutting
put
her
the lemon
nails.
in the salad?
Can
Hey,
you-
try this.
So this one.
I will.
Sorry,
I just need
You
beef.
put it in the salad?
Wait.
So this is you get the
She
fish.
looks so
You
funny.
eat it with the tomatoes and the
Ugh.
cilantro.
It's not the same
What?
Mmm.
as like
Good?
Philippines.
Philippines? Oh yeah, dude.
Bro, that
Filipinos
one was-
mangoes?
Dude, I eat like 10 and like.
Nah,
Oh.
when I went again with mom and dad,
Bro,
I was
Mom,
getting
try
like
the
mango
beef and
smoothie
testy
like
right
back.
This one's spicy.
Mango
That's all
smoothie.
I
Oh, mom, this is yours.
Yeah, I know,
This is
yeah,
yours.
I know.
This is yours too. Your
Mom,
sauce,
try the
okay?
beef intestine.
Okay. Thank you. No,
Dad,
when
you
you
want
know
to-
we went back
Very
to the same
Spicy,
the same hotel La Union.
Oh,
Oh,
you want to give him
Uh,
the beef intestines? Where'd it go?
I thought he tried it
Oh,
already.
did you try it?
Mhm.
That's good.
There's
Parang lото to.
I know we got it
Oh,
from
we
the
went to Dollar
Philippine
Hits.
Oh.
And then yeah.
store. It's leftovers.
Beef intestine.
It's good.
Oh, you guys bought it
Oh
for
yeah, I've never been there.
It's so good. Oh my god.
Just don't do the breakfast.
I just
Dollar Hits, Roy, not the McKinney.
No, you know, I did go there for breakfast
Oh, yeah.
and I got the
Why would you go to
London
Dollar
rice
Hits
cake.
for breakfast?
Yeah.
Because we wanted to get it, but
the
then
only
we
time
came-
I had
Afternoon,
bread was-
afternoon.
Yeah, I was like, we got it because we were there early. And
So
then
they weren't selling.
no, and then I got food poisoning
Oh my
because I ate the
god.
longanisa. I was like,
Because you're supposed to cook it yourself, boy.
no, it was everything was pre-cooked.
Because you.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's why. That's not the whole point. The whole point you're supposed to
Ooh,
grill it.
Tarek.
No, it's the breakfast. It was in the morning.
Oh,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
don't
yeah.
go
Go
there.
there for that.
Roy, go again, and you should take Liv. It's so nice.
I know, I've been there before.
No, but it's different
No,
now.
no, I-
It's way bigger. There's more.
Intestine?
There's more tables. Dad, you should go to Dollar Hits. But the only thing is, it's far.
It's like near,
Cape Town?
yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, the mango's good.
That's the one thing I didn't like. So bro, he lived on
Okay.
the food.
Beto?
Cape Town?
Like Bust LA.
It's so far.
Yeah.
Like, we're still cooking more rice, so.
What's this name?
Huh?
Boiling crab.
Is it?
Yeah. No, so what we did, we bought
Why
2
can you give me that,
pounds,
no? The stick,
and Ali
please.
made
Like,
extra. We went to Seafood City.
Face. Yung stick ng ano, yung
And then she cooked it. And then we
Bigger.
just.
Oh, cover.
Mom has Milo.
Yeah.
There's nothing.
Mom, use the lemon.
No.
You gotta do at least one.
Lemon.
Mom, use the lemon. Give her lemon, Angel.
Yeah.
It's starting to become dark.
Use the lemon, Mom.
No, there's lemons everywhere.
Are you trying?
Oh, I don't want this
I'm
okra.
trying to.
We just give it to them. Then we eat
Yeah,
it.
just, yeah, put it there.
Just grab it if you want it.
Yeah,
This is
yeah,
healthy.
eat
It's healthy, yeah. Technically.
Yeah.
Not really.
Wait, why aren't you eating?
Still not
I'm
healthy.
heavy. I'm gonna
Healthier
eat.
than McDonald's.
Taking my time, bro.
Healthier than fried food. Did you go gym today?
Yeah.
Wow, look at him. I need to go back to the gym. Mom, it's your birthday. Ali doesn't know how old you are.
Oh, here.
54.
Here.
40.
If I ever forget,
I said
if I ever
54.
forget, Dad's right here. Right
I don't
here.
understand that.
I am that old.
Roman numeral.
40?
How old is she, Ace?
Here, why don't you look? Why don't you look?
You can't even look at your own tattoo.
How old is she?
What time?
Stop kidding. It's okay.
50,
I just said it.
53.
Mom, maybe
I'm not that old, Ali.
No? 53?
Dad, how old is mom?
It's 1974.
74, 51.
Oh,
You want?
just kidding.
Oh, thank God. I was so concerned.
Why?
I was like, damn, she's almost 60.
I know, we were thinking about retirement already. Me and Tyson, because she's almost 65. Is that retirement age?
60. It's 65 now? They put 5?
67.
67?
They're trying to push you to 70.
Really?
Yeah.
You know why? Because of they told them that they don't have to pay you your benefits. So you're 67.
Well, I mean, technically, we should be living up to like freaking 100 or something.
No.
The average lifespan is
No, I
like
mean, because there's the food that we eat. If you actually
What's
eat
that
really good.
700 years old. Because
Yeah, people back then, bro,
700
they
years
used to live
old,
like that
remember?
long.
No,
Jesus
back
time?
then it's 40 years
No,
old.
no, no, we're talking about
Jesus
like,
time, remember
yeah,
7
Oh,
they
years
used to live
old?
like
yeah.
like 500-600 years, man.
Dude, not just around Jesus.
She got 2 fish.
That's around Noah's time.
Like Abraham, all that.
Mm.
They used to live for decades, man.
Do you buy these fishes?
Yeah,
That's
and
a
then
story.
But I think it's
they're fried
mostly because of the
Wow.
food.
Oh my God, it's spicy.
What fish is it?
No, and then Jesus
Tilapia.
never
Tilapia
really
is
do
good.
that.
It tastes like
Really,
powder.
yun one of the part
Kind
of
of,
that.
yeah.
So, then binabaan na niya.
Guys,
Yeah.
So
yeah.
he's the one that did it? Lower our age?
Oh,
Why?
parang may sakit
No,
na
I
bata
thought,
na
I thought it was after Noah.
Wow.
After the...
Don't
That
forget
is
to
your-
mention
you don't
Noah
know
lived for a
that?
long time too.
Dad, your phone. You want to down be
Good for, like,
present?
1 year.
Yeah, that'd
Yeah.
be present.
Imagine living for that long, bro.
Your
I
dad
don't
wants
wanna be-
to.
That's a no.
Bro, I don't want to be struggling
Doesn't
for
wanna be
200
present.
That's
years.
good, bro.
Did you like the sauce?
This is really good.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Jesse?
Hey, we're good. Oh, you want that?
I'm over
There's
No, I was made right, dude.
Oh, Dad, when are you gonna go to Philippines?
It's starting
Wait,
back.
Mom, are you going to Milan or are you going to cruise? I mean, Milan, Italy or cruise?
Spain.
So what cruise are you?
Barcelona.
What cruise are you going to?
I think multiple. Are you guys going to multiple? Yeah, that's why. Multiple ports.
What the? Ali, Kema, can we just like no start na March 2, Monday. Can we
Or
start
what?
doing the? Do you remember I scheduled you to feed the dogs?
Mamaya na yan. Makain tayo.
I thought it on.
No, but I mean,
I
Love
always
the
feed
meeting.
dog.
no, don't feed unless you are scheduled. Remember we're doing Monday, Kiana, Tuesday,
Your?
Ace.
So what do they don't eat till the whole day when we have work? Because we leave
So
at
before
4.
you leave, you need to feed the dog. Then put the water.
I can feed them in the morning.
That's
No,
scary in the
because
morning.
nobody, like only me and Roy.
Tell me,
What? I always feed Abby.
I'm
Me
telling you,
too.
we're
Yeah, but
feeding
Abby
them,
does
bro.
good.
You guys acting like we don't, bro.
Have you seen Boba? He's
That's
fat.
They're all
good.
fat. They're not getting under. They're getting
Yeah, have you seen
overfed.
Boba?
If every time I put food and they don't eat, that's how you know they're.
She already ate.
Yeah.
So okay,
man.
so let's do and then if you cannot
I'd rather
do it,
can I do weekends because I work.
can we
I'm
just
telling you that the food problem is not
And
never
then
the
if you
problem.
cannot
They're
do
always
it,
full,
just
bro.
ask somebody so that we know.
So good.
I would just text each other.
Like food
I
is
know,
not
I told
supposed to
you you
be
didn't like
like laid down there for
We
them.
need to be responsible for.
It's supposed to be eaten right away. If it's like if it's always staying there, that means they're not hungry.
No, they don't like the
No, but if
dry
they're-
one.
No, but like if they're really hungry, they're gonna eat that.
I
That's
know.
what I'm saying. Like
Or
Now they're
Abby's
just-
just getting old.
so they're just spoiled. No, Abby, I get. Like
You
talking
guys
about Boba and
gotta
Rocky.
try to walk them.
No, yeah, that part. That part. right there.
I
That
walk
is-
Rocky in the
dog.
middle of
Hey,
the
man,
night.
this is your
Did
dog.
you cook it?
Yeah,
Are you
no.
kidding?
Where did you walk the
I'll
dog?
take half
I give them the
feed
pets.
Bring more
and they
back.
deserve
Once a
per-
year.
Walk the
per
dog.
day.
Bro, you don't even look at
You
them.
don't even have
2
that.
and 3 dogs.
Whose dogs are that?
That's not your dog.
That's mean. Kelly, say
Careful,
that
don't
with
drop
Abby.
the
That's the
shrimp. Abby's down here.
responsibility of whoever brought the dog.
Mom,
Abby's
Kelly, yeah.
old.
Good.
So I understand Abby.
Do you like the shrimp, Mom? Yeah, put lemon.
I'm gonna just start.
So you know how like Bailey died?
Rebuild shrimp, Mom, look!
Dude, it's so sad.
Rebuild shrimp right here! Rebuild
You wanted
shrimp!
said that they were like, it was really bad.
Mom, you want some
Oh, yeah.
peeled shrimp?
Oh.
Right there, ready for you.
Who peeled the shrimp?
Boy.
Oh!
Free shrimp! Free peeled for you. Ready.
Mom did it for him.
Huh?
So then when are you gonna go to Philippines?
16.
Oh my god, Loki.
Oh, it's April? May? March. Oh shit, you're going already?
Yeah.
It was funny.
Oh wow.
I told the Philippine husband that I was going back. They texted me. They were like, "Hey, are you coming back?"
Not the hoods.
I was like, "Bro, it's been a year. You still remember?" That's crazy.
Wait, are they the one from Mindoro?
Mindoro and Manila.
Oh.
Mom, what does hugs mean? What does hugs mean?
Anong husband?
What does that
That's
mean?
me.
That's
Because
mean.
me.
That's so nice. I think they really like you and like they're like waiting for you to come back.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
You know what I mean?
I
She has
just-
a friend there. Na they went somewhere.
Oh, I got in trouble.
Like he was driving.
You?
Huh?
Yeah,
I took. What's funny? Like we drove like 2-3 hours away from where.
No
Well,
wonder they
Mindoro
love you,
was.
bro.
No,
Hindi
but
dito man I don't want him to go. And then they said like they're gonna do motorcycle and dito man I said, "Where am I?"
oh yeah, mom
Mom.
didn't want to let me use
No,
the
no,
car.
no, no.
So I was like, alright, I'm gonna use the motorcycle.
Happy
But that was like a far
Oh,
drive.
nice! Happy birthday!
Where's all?
Thank you.
Yeah, I drove like. The only thing I was scared of
Don't get at me.
was mom kept talking about like
What?
the like the
Gorilla.
yeah like the gangs. But then the locals are saying
Oh my
that it's
God.
not really like
Wait, in
that
Mindoro?
anymore. Yeah, it's actually like
Ah.
There's like outside signs and stuff everywhere. It says,
Nagulat
"Oh, be
ka is yung
careful."
may, ano.
Did you see that guy that threw a
Scary.
bazooka at one of the mayors?
Oh yeah, that was she.
I was like, bro,
Yeah, that was
they're
crazy,
on
bro.
another level over there.
Yeah,
Who's the
bro.
mayor?
I don't know.
No, there's a couple. There's two guys like
Bazooka.
shot. Yeah, with
Shot
a
a
bazooka.
bazooka
Oh my god.
at a politician.
No, but in our
There's
mom's
ISIS.
area, yeah, it's basically like that, like ISIS for the Filipinos, bro.
That's scary.
Yeah.
It's like, you know what happening with Mexico right now?
Yeah, basically like that.
Oh my
But
god.
they were telling me
Like
like
the cartels?
they don't really like do that. They did it for like food and like
Oh, they did?
No, they retaliate.
Wow.
Kasi napatay nila yung ano ng one of the cart.
No, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about like Philippines.
How about Philippines?
Yeah.
Answer the...
You know John, his wife?
Mm.
She
Oh,
went to
okay.
Cancun
Mm.
for her bachelor's.
Really?
And she
That's
got
a terrible.
scared because
Thank you.
she doesn't know what's going on because she was studying for an NCLEX. And she passed yesterday.
Ah,
And then she was like, what the fuck? I didn't know that was going on.
Well
And
done,
I
Jen.
went to Cancun.
really?
No, I just need my phone.
Nah, yeah, it's
It's scary, but you know,
that happens everywhere.
My
That's what I
friend,
said,
my
yeah.
friend told me she's like
No,
young
that one
too.
is bad though.
She's like
You know what they did?
She's
What?
working
They
in
try
a
to
per diem at a surgery center,
it's,
but she said it's too far from her. She's
a restaurant owner
near
trying to bring
Downey.
people in, but one of
She
the
said, can
cartel
you-
members
I know
started
that
sending
place.
everybody.
Oh,
that's
that's
where I
that
was
one.
supposed to go.
Can you get her in at
That's not the same day though.
the
No, there was a-
Downey
I'm talking about
something?
the one
Yeah.
where he like he hit in with the
Wait, what do you
ground.
mean? I thought she was already
Yeah,
in.
that's not the same day.
No,
That's
she
a
said
different
it's
day.
too far.
That
She
one's
was
crazy.
like
It's
near
a cartel.
Downey.
It's
Yeah,
I
that
told her
one's
you know
crazy.
the doctor.
Cause
the
the guy
owner.
thought he was like a customer.
Yeah.
She's
Yeah.
good. She even
That was
though
I
the
don't
best.
know. I don't know her. I can't.
Why did
no,
they
but
hire
what I
mom?
mean is she's really good. So
Yeah,
because
but
I know
I
how
can't
she works.
recommend people I don't know. Because it's my boss.
No, but what I mean is that
Well, I mean, if you see a store
If it's you,
coming after
wanna
you,
go?
you
I
know,
like
like,
that. Most people do
They
it.
hired mom.
no, but what I
They
mean,
weren't
Yeah,
looking at that
yeah,
time,
it's
but now it's open
Yeah.
time.
but
but really,
she's
I was
good.
thinking about
I'm
that.
telling you, she's the one.
Am I gonna be
she's
the
young.
one like?
She's
I just think I'm gonna start.
MA before.
I wouldn't run, but I'll like.
And then actually,
Rose
the doctor likes her too, because the old one, they don't like him inside the surgery.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because
Sorry.
remember the old one are like slow.
Oh.
But she's like you, she's young.
How old is she?
What
She
is
might
that?
be like early 30s
We get corn.
Oh,
or
yeah.
like late 20s.
She works at MedSurg, Sally too?
Kelly, yeah. She's good. She's the one, some of the procedures.
Bro, do
she's
some
like, I don't know
nice
that.
to
And she's the one teaching me.
Oh, shit.
Wow. She doesn't want to go to med. Oh, she's
Nice
crazy.
one.
She's
No,
good.
she's Kelly, but
Huh?
she wants like
Horn.
an extra,
Well,
like surgery.
Tell her method.
Oh, good.
No, she wants like, can you hook her Downey?
Hooker.
Hey, when you start, right?
Orientation is March.
Where's gonna be in nursing school?
March.
Really? I thought it was like doing it.
Oh, I'm tripping. It's already March.
I know, I don't know. He was like, I'm going back.
Huh?
September.
Yeah.
Bro,
So you have time to save up
Yeah.
while you're doing your phlebotomy.
dude,
I'm just gonna work and then.
Yeah.
that girl I was talking to, dog. She's going to nursing school, right? It's the weirdest program ever. She's doing online classes now, and then next year she's gonna be flying once a week per semester to go to a clinical site.
No.
That's a thing?
It's a thing.
What do you mean?
Well, I've never heard
probably,
that.
it's probably out of state.
It is out of state.
No,
I
cool.
did. It's still like one.
Oh yeah, yeah,
She's
yeah.
doing online classes.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
my friend did that.
I was like, wait. And she said 1 week per semester, and the last
You already told me
and the last semester you do a whole month.
You gotta do
I
what
was
you
like,
gotta
you
do.
gotta pay for a hotel.
Do you have to
Unless you have a
redo
family
classes
there.
that
Yeah,
are-
but
Fart.
Is it spine shaped?
it is fun, right?
Oh, nurse.
What happened?
Yeah.
I'll be
Okay.
here.
Everyone here?
I know there's not a
No.
dog for a second. I was like,
No, when you guys are gone and I hear like thing, and I'm like,
No,
that better
this
be
has-
heavy, bro.
Don't have.
She always gets herself stuck at the.
Can I have some?
bathtub.
Yeah, bro.
I think
Did you
she's
get this house
thirsty.
blessed?
Yeah, I didn't know.
Yeah, when she does that, you just gotta.
Can I have some
put
of the
her
garlic?
more water.
Yeah.
Is the rice cooked over there?
Oh, yeah.
You
can check
I
it
know.
out. I don't think so.
No.
No,
Like 12 minutes.
12 minutes.
Oh.
It's cooked in 12 minutes.
Oh, the garlic is good.
We saved tip.
Done.
Kana.
Mm.
We saved tip.
That's the reason why we wanted to do this.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
We don't want to pay for tip.
Just get $10.
It's expensive.
Bro, I
Even like, I don't know. I'd rather do it in the house.
you know Alicia got a new job at a fancy like
I saw that.
Michelin. How'd you see what?
She.
Bro, she has me blocked, bro. I knew it.
No, I think her location was like at work or something.
No, she posted her story, right? And I'm like, why can't I see it? So I went to like my other,
Insta?
yeah, and then I was like, what is that? And then I saw it, and I was like, bruh, I was like, why was she blocking me, bruh?
Maybe she doesn't want to see your post.
Yeah.
Then
For her, mine.
Yeah, but it was just funny. I was literally, she called me the next day. I was like, yeah, I was thinking about you. And I was all like, oh, okay. I was just laughing.
You're a freak.
yeah,
How?
Yeah.
you're actually the
You
worst.
like them being sad, bruh.
How? What the
And
heck?
literally like, yeah, she misses me. And literally that's all you went about it. And I was like, what the fuck?
You're there like that?
Yes.
Really?
Yes, he did.
I didn't mean it like that, though.
You did
Oh
it.
my
You're
God.
like,
Like that's right, I got
I think I'm
her.
like that too.
What?
That's why my patients are like, did you laugh at me?
Confession table.
Like,
That's not what I meant, though.
You know,
but I do that.
She actually likes you a lot. You're so sad.
Who?
Alicia.
I like her a lot, too.
Hey.
But, like,
Mute.
you know, how she ever...
Wait, it's gonna have 11.
I always tell her that. Are you gonna move
Wait,
here?
you
Am I
can
gonna
You
go
get
there?
11?
And then she'll be like...
Let's all move to Tech Deck.
And then she'll be like, I don't know, she's like,
Yes,
maybe I will
that's
move
fine.
there. But I was like, bruh, like...
Lemon.
It's like, for me, like, bruh, if you're not
Cake,
sure, your whole family's there, my whole
Yummy.
family's here.
Yeah.
You get me?
Yeah.
I ain't never going there just to be with you. I'll move
That's
there
true.
for a little bit,
Ba yan?
but like realistically, we're gonna be together
Hold on,
forever. Like,
sir.
You're gonna
bruh.
move there for a little bit.
I mean, like, if I
Did you
actually...
hear that?
Oh, dila na.
He's
Some
gonna
Diet
move for a little
Coke.
bit.
No, I think I would.
Mm.
You get me?
Damn.
Why
Want
not?
Coke?
I've been like craving Coke now.
Why not?
Yeah, I wanna
That's the
get one.
person.
Me too.
Ah,
And then I got me
Alicia,
into
that's
it.
why.
Meron pa akong Coke doon.
Oh, yeah,
why
but
not?
it's
Even
zero
for like a
calories.
year.
No.
You
Yeah.
experience
That part, yeah.
Yeah, 0 calories.
Which one?
But now, like,
The Diet
forever.
Coke.
No.
Yeah.
Bro, you guys have already
What?
been
That's
there.
why I started
That was-
drinking it.
Bro, you good?
The sauce is
That
hot.
happens to
You
him
want
on. Hey, it's like you don't know him.
That's great.
it?
No, you're drinking alcohol.
Yeah,
Take a
I
shot.
literally like thought about it.
It was worse when we were at the restaurant.
Which one?
We went to Pirates.
Oh yeah.
Look at this.
Dude, drip. It
Yeah.
was like all over
It's
his
good.
face.
Yeah, I ate a
But
lot.
that one was
So
really
give me-
hot though.
I ate 4, 5.
Mom, I'm excited for your cake. It looks so
That's too spicy.
The sauce is that one, the triple X.
Bitin yung kanin na.
No, tama lang yung kanin.
Ah, the coffee
Yeah,
crunch?
summer's gonna be your
It can
More
work.
alam
Yeah.
mo.
I know, bro.
Coffee for red.
My hands are
Fish,
dirty.
bro.
No, not the
Dude, my
crunchy.
face
Wait,
was
are you
too
eating
I know
red.
what you're talking about.
Yeah.
It's like the normal chocolate. Color was white.
coffee one.
So
Are we gonna put the-
Are you just a
Oh,
natural?
you
You want me to
butter?
put the cake there?
Yeah, so don't then.
Are we gonna hand that too?
Yeah.
Oh, sure, why not?
So that we don't know.
Yeah,
Nobody
yeah,
does
I
that, so
want
we're the
rice.
only one. So we're gonna
That's
do
the first time.
first time.
No, I think I want more rice.
When we do Budo Fire,
Oh,
the
no,
cake,
they're
we
ready
also
for the
have to
rice.
grab it with our hands.
You know, at the end of this, you gotta actually like square up, right?
Put your face.
Yeah.
Initiation?
Yeah.
Still, kunin mo.
No, they're waiting for the rice.
What? Rice
Yeah,
pa.
the cake.
Yeah.
No.
Each and every one.
Mom's waiting for
Yeah,
the rice now.
and you can't wash your hands. That's the thing.
What?
Yeah.
They're waiting for the
You gotta
rice.
taste
Oh,
it.
I washed
You
my
strike
hands
with the
then.
ube.
Oh hell no. I'm good.
Stop scaring it.
I'm full.
He's like, you guys are freaks.
We're gonna get naked.
Hi,
again.
Abby.
Dude, you would love Mindoro though in the Philippines where it's like fresh
Oh,
fish
Dad.
all the time.
Dude, yeah.
I like fresh fried fish. That's
Yeah.
really good.
Oh yeah, no, the fried fish, dude, fire.
Yeah.
I miss Philippines.
Fire. I know. I for some reason for me, like I actually want to go back every year.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
to chill, you know.
Come with me next year.
I feel like
I
Dad
would,
will go back every year.
Yeah.
Jenna, you need the rice?
Thing
Yeah,
is, I want to be a
yeah,
La
we'll
Union
do
too
it.
for
8
more
minutes.
time.
You go first in Mindoro.
Did you finish all this?
Then
And then go to La
What?
Union,
all
yeah.
the spicy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Take
no,
on
spicy
dipping here.
sauce.
You're what?
Oh.
let's just
So
meet
it
up
doesn't
in La Union.
Just
After
put miles,
we're done.
boy.
Just put- just put
I only
in
wanna be here
spicy
like 3
sauce.
I don't wanna.
You want
Remember
spicy?
we got stuck up there like
You like
3
spicy?
days
Yeah.
raining.
The rain, yeah.
Love the
shit.
taste.
Let's go.
Oh, because it's bleh.
That's the new
I
I
like
think
it,
that's
though.
why he didn't like it. He said it's too
Why does it look like that?
bleh.
Because
That's
it's
why,
a
yeah,
different
the sauce
rice.
is
It's basmati. It's
Basmati.
healthy rice.
That's why. I was like,
We had to add more water with that one.
oh, oopsie.
Is it dry?
yeah,
Yeah.
it's more rice.
Is it?
Oh, it's a healthier.
Oh, this is
that's-
what you're.
That's
Oh,
the
good.
that's
It's
the healthy
Indian
one.
rice. This is
Yeah,
Indian
that's
rice.
Ah, that's the basmati.
Uh-oh.
Yeah,
It
when
was
you
long
cook
grain,
it,
I thought.
it's
You know,
more.
we're having gonna eat it and your head's gonna be like,
Oh my
my
Yeah.
god.
You're done. You're doing like this.
I didn't get that till this year, bro.
You don't have Indian friends?
You
No,
know,
they don't do that for the face.
Isn't it Tasmina?
Because it's long.
Yes.
She doesn't do that though.
She's Indian.
But it's like stereotype.
No, but when Dad was saying that, like, what is
I
that?
thought she was Ray-Ran.
Yeah?
I thought she was a Or
Raven?
Middle Eastern.
She's still
Well, I'm
Indian.
with whatever.
She's Indian, but her
She's not
religion is,
Indian. She's not
Muslim.
Indian.
I want to get in an
Something
argument with a
Bengali or
Muslim.
something.
oh, Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Their Bible literally tells them to kill.
Bengali?
No,
Don't
that's
be
what-
friends with like Christians. Don't be friends with anybody who's not like Muslim. They say to hurt their wives if they disrespect you. And I'm like, what is your answer for that?
The Muslim?
Yeah,
Oh,
like
yeah.
it says to harm and
We'll
kill
try
people.
this.
And I was like, bro, like if that's what your God said.
I
Like,
don't need
Oh, yeah, you're right.
doesn't seem like a good God.
Yeah,
you know?
try this.
Is that what they say? Oh.
Yeah, bro.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Maybe it's in their
Okay.
Old Testament.
No, it's
That's
like their
the thing.
actual
That's what I'm saying,
Quran.
maybe-
No, they don't have the thing is their miracle is that their book never changes.
Yeah,
Mm.
but like that's the crazy part. I'm like,
Really?
yeah, I'm like, if that's the religion you want to be part of, it's like, oh man, like means that's your choice. But I'm like, doesn't seem like a good religion to go to though. To be honest, you get me? Like it says, hurt your like it says don't be friends with like they're Christian. Don't be friends with them.
Really?
It said that like if your wife disrespects you, you can hit them. And then it said that you can
Well,
have
they have
multiple
multiple
wives.
wives,
Yeah, it said
yeah.
multiple wives. Yeah, I'm like,
Tapos
bro,
yung
like.
yung aking
Very old fashioned.
It's not even that. It's like,
I mean,
what
no,
kind of
it's
religion
like-
do
it's
you
like-
want to be part of? Like,
there's some
something like
people like that
Yeah.
doesn't practice that,
Yeah.
that? Of course.
but
Yeah,
it's still
course.
no. The thing is, it's still in their religion.
Yeah, it's like still part of it. They're really like that's like their like. You get me?
No.
Yeah.
That's why some of them they don't do that anymore.
Yeah, a
Like
lot
they
of
get
people
out
are
their
changing.
yeah,
Yeah.
their religion. Like
Mhm.
they're like, oh, I'm Christian now.
Yeah, because like this is honest. And then they said Muhammad, bro, like their Jesus or
Wow.
whatever.
Uh-huh.
Dude, he's like evil.
There's a
the
like a
fighting?
fight between
No,
like,
when we
the
went there,
Southeast
we
Asians
felt the
and China.
racism.
Yeah,
Like,
yeah,
it's like South Korea.
We're going.
Koreans,
I don't get it.
No,
We're
you
going.
think
South
we're monkeys.
Koreans are
They're
racist.
hella
Koreans,
racist.
Koreans
Oh.
are racist. We're the dirty
all
monkeys.
Asians.
They call us the dirty Asians.
Dirty Asians.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're the ugliest Asians.
Yeah. What's crazy? Like
True.
they're actually the ugliest.
No, they're the ugly. They're the one that does the most.
No, they're actually the ugliest.
Vietnamese is part of it.
That's mean, Ace.
Uh,
Stop.
Taiwan.
That's mean.
Any
No.
Southeast.
Ah, so